tonight. This is where we're calling home. We're over in Italy now, in a very small mountain village called Labbro, and this is the sosta that they have here for free. Check this out. Oh my lord. And just over there in that corner you've got facilities. Just behind us you've got electricity points, and you've got a footpath just there that takes you up to the mountain village that's just behind those trees. Now that is a view I can live with for just a few moments.